In example 6, we have an infinite limit. This is the limit as x approaches infinity of the same expression we've been working with in example 4 and 5. However, in examples 4 and 5, we had a finite limit. There was an actual x value that we were looking at and seeing what happens to the y values when we approach that x value. Here, this is essentially end behavior. So let's take a look at the graph of this thing again. And it's as x approaches infinity, so we're going to be looking at the right side of the graph. And we're wondering what is the y value that we're approaching when x gets very, very, very large. It looks to be maybe 1 from this particular graph. And what we're going to do now is we're actually going to use our table to help us to figure out what that value might even be. So let's go hit second window here, which is your table set. And you can start at any position here. I'll just start at 0. Our delta table shouldn't be 0.001 for this one. We actually want to see what happens when x gets super large. So you can make it 1,000 or even 10,000. That would work too. We want to move farther and farther and farther to the right. So let's go ahead and hit second graph, which is our table. As we move further and further to the right, the value of y will actually not be exactly equal to 1, but the calculator has to round it because it ran out of room. And so it actually helps us when it rounds to figure out what that value is that we're approaching or getting close to. So using the graph, we thought it was about 1, and using the table, we can get a little bit better in terms of precision, and that's exactly 1. So this time, we're just going to go ahead and write our answer as 1 and call it a day.